Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Payday 3 gamepad or controller not working problem on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and now try to launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input, and now check whether the problem is resolved or not. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your controller driver. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check whether controller is working now. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove the controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and now check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates option and wait for some time. And once your Windows is up to date, now try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section, you can see enter big picture mode option, click on it. And after entering big picture mode, you have to try to play the game. And after that, again exit big picture mode and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.